KFC, hey, you're supposed to wait for everybody. You know what? While we're waiting, why don't we play a game of hide and seek?
Right now?
Yeah, go hide. Go on, buddy. 1, 2,
Kevin, find me.
3.
Are you even looking for me?
I am looking.
Jerry Russo, how dare you steal your son's chicken? I am absolutely disgusted. Your son is now going to go hungry, and it's entirely your fault. If you put another 2 out of line, the 3 of them are going to be living with me and your father. Oh, and Jerry, tell Justin congratulations on making it to the 5th grade. Your father and I are so proud.